everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Shruti Sajjan. Today's recipe is green beans curry. Watch the video. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin with the recipe. Heat around 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and when the oil gets heated, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds starts crackling, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a string of curry leaves. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of urad dal and fry it till the urad dal turns to light golden color. Now I am adding 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 5 green chilies finely chopped, and saute it till the onions are half done, and it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am adding chopped beans. Here I am using 1 pound of beans which I have chopped them very finely. So keep on mixing it and saute it in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the turmeric powder and mix it very nicely. After mixing, add quarter a cup of water and with the lid on cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. But in between, just take off the lid and give it a very good mix, and if you need more water you can add it, and again cover it with the lid and cook it for some more time. After 10 minutes, just take off the lid and check whether the beans have boiled or not. Yes, the beans have boiled nicely. So now I am adding salt to taste, or 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of curry powder. If you don't have curry powder, you can add half teaspoon each of coriander and jeera powder, and 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, and mix it and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, switch off the flame and add the finely chopped coriander leaves and squeeze a wedge of lemon and give it a final mix. Now the curry is ready to be served with hot chapati or roti. To watch my other recipes, click the link displaying on the screen, and for the written recipes, please visit my blog cookwithshrutisajjan.blogspot.com, and if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.